Drawing layers by DiRoots allows you to edit layered data quickly and easily using an easy-to-use spreadsheet type UI. So we'll pull up drawing layers. Let's say I want to change layers from C- to Civil. So I'll Control F for find. I'll come in here and find C-, and then we'll go to replace and replace it with Civil-. So we'll say replace all. Cool. They're all green now, and all the C's are now Civil. Then I can hit update, and you'll see that all my C layers are now Civil layers. I can come in here and type the word layer, and you'll see that everything has been updated here. And you can also change the values of these other columns as well.